السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اليوم راح أشرح الدرس الخامس من الوحدة الخامسة بعنوان Order and Compare Rational Numbers، معناته ترتيب ومقارنة الأعداد النسبية. هدفنا أن نرتب ونقارن هذه الأعداد. Our objective is to order and compare rational numbers. طبعا عندنا عدة حالات في المقارنة. If we have two fraction, we will keep this fraction and we will make them equal in the denominator only. Okay. To compare it. يعني عشان نقارن بينهم لازم يكون الدينومينيتر نفس الشيء. نحافظ على الفراكشن ونغير الدينومينيتر. 7 we can make it to be 28 by multiply it by 4. It means we will multiply by 4 up and down. Look at these two fractions. They have the same denominator. Now we can compare between it. Because both numbers are negative, the small numerator will be the greater number. فبيكون negative 1 over 28 is greater than negative 16 over 28. Fill in the brackets with less than, greater than or equal to make a true statement عشان نحلها بطريقة صحيحة. لو تلاحظون we have two kind of numbers. We have decimal and mixed number. In this case we will change this mixed number to be a decimal. In the last lesson في الدرس السابق تعلمنا كيف نحول. We learned how to convert from fraction to decimal or from mixed number to decimal. فبيكون هني 2 because it's whole number. We will put point here. 3 over 4 هذا 3 over 4 هو عبارة عن fraction يعني مشهور احنا نعرف قيمته اللي هي 0.75. and here we will keep this decimal the same. How we can write it if you don't know what is the value of this 3 over 4 of this fraction or to convert it to decimal? What we will do here, we will keep 2 outside, put point, then take this fraction and divide it here. بناخذ 3 over 4 وبنقسمهم هني. أنا عندي 3 divide by 4. 3 divide by 4 is 0. Put point, take it up, add 0. I will change the color to be clear for you. Okay. 30 divided by 4 equals 7. 7 multiplied by 4 يعني 30. How many 4 in 30 is 7. 7 multiplied by 4 give us 28. Subtract يعطينا 2. Add another 0, bring it down, it will be 20. 20 divided by 4 يعطينا 5. 5 multiplied by 4 يعطينا 20. subtract يعطينا 0. انتهت عملية القسمة وطلعت لي هذه النتيجة. After 2 point we will put 75. It's the same. Now I have two numbers here. I must have two numbers here. What we will put here? We will add 0. Now we can compare. Which number is greater? 2.75 or 2.90? 2.90 is greater, and we will put this sign. We have another example, one decimal and one mixed number. We will keep the decimal and we will convert this mixed number to be a decimal. Okay. We will keep this one. And here, this one whole number, I will put it out. Then I will put point. I will take this fraction to divide it here and find the decimal number for this one. I will divide here and I will write the times table of 6. 5 divided by 6. We cannot, we will put 0. We will put here point and we will bring it up. Add 0. $50. Look at 50 here, or where is the location for this number اللي هو 50. ال 50 is here, it's between these two number. فبناخذ هذه، معناته أن ال 50 فيها 8. إذا ال 50 كم ستة فيها؟ فيها 8. إذا هني 8. 8 multiply by 6, we have the answer here, it's 48. Subtract 50 minus 48, it will be 2. Add 0, bring it down, يعطينا 20. ال 20 وين موجودة هني؟ ال 20 بين ال 24 وال 18، لكن احنا دائما ناخذ العدد الأقل، ففيها 3. How many 6 in 20? We have 3. 3 multiply by 6 يعطينا 18. Subtract يعطينا 2. We must add 0. Take it down. It will be 20. Again, it will be 20. It's near to 18. فبيكون فيها كم ستة؟ فيها 3. كم من هذا هني؟ أيضا فيها 3. 3 multiply by 6 is 18. Subtract يعطينا 2. Bring down 0. شو تلاحظون؟ صارت 20. وال 20 كم 6 فيها؟ فيها 3. We must stop here. 3 repeat 3 times. It means this is repeating decimal and 3 is the repeating number. فبيكون عندنا هني 18 وماينس 0 يعطينا 2. لو تلاحظون it will be continue to the end. Now I know the answer. Here 1 point between number and fraction. After point I will put 8 and 3 is repeating. We have two number here, but we have one number here. We can write it to be 1 point. 3 is repeating. We can write it to be like that. It's 3 3 3 to the end. Okay, which number is greater? From beginning we must know here 3 and here 8. It's mean this number is greater. You can open the number here and you will notice that 83 is greater than 33. We have another example here. Look at the numbers. We have here this fraction and here this decimal. We will keep the decimal and we will change this fraction to be decimal by using long division. We will take this fraction to divide it and to convert it to decimal. 23 divide by 6. 23, it's between these two numbers. It means we will take the smaller number because it's closer to this one. And how many 6 in 23? We have 3. 3 multiplied by 6 يعطينا 18. 23 minus 18 يعطينا 5. We want to complete the long division. Because of that, I will put point and I will take it up. Then we can add 0. صارت 50. 50 divide by 6. It means how many 6 in 50? Look at this number. It's between these two numbers. دائما ناخذ العدد الأقل. Between this number, but we will take the smaller number. How many 6 in 50 is 8? Okay. 8 multiplied by 6 يعطينا 48. Subtract 50 minus 48 يعطينا 2. Add another 0. Bring it down. 20 وين مكانها هني تقع؟ 20 it's here, and also we will take this number. How many 6 in 20? We have 3. 3 multiplied by 6 يعطينا 18. Subtract يعطينا 2. We will add another 0. صارت 20. How many 6 in 20? Also 3. Multiply يعطينا 18. After multiply we will subtract. We will have 2. You notice that this number will be repeating number. Here 0. 20. How many 6 in 20? It's 3. 3 times 6 يعطينا 18 وهكذا. نكمل. لو كملنا it's not terminating, it's repeating decimal. Now I know the answer here. Here negative 3.8 and 3 is repeating number. And here negative 3.625. Okay. Which number is greater? In decimal the small number will be greater. فبيكون هني عندي 6 it's less than 8, but because it's negative it will be greater. 6 شوفوا هني 3 and 3 هني 8 وهني 6. إذا 6 هي الأصغر في الأعداد الصحيحة اللي هو النمبر العادية، لكن النيجاتيف it will be greater than the other one. Also here we have two negative numbers. We will keep the decimal and we will change this mixed number to be decimal. Negative 4.9 and here بتكون negative 4 بعدين point between the number and fraction. 1 over 2 we all of us know that it's 0.5. If you don't know, you can take this fraction and divide to have the answer. 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2, it's 0 because 1 is smaller. We add point up, add 0. 10 divided by 2 يعطينا 5. 5 multiplied by 2 يعطينا 10. Subtract 0. We finish this long division. After point, we will cross this 0 because we have whole number here. After point, we will add 5. Now, which number is greater? The small one will be greater than the big one here because both numbers are negative. طبعا بإمكان الطالبة تحل هذا البارت الأول من الدرس اللي هو برقم 117 على منصة ألف. في البارت الثاني من الدرس يتكون من 2 parts. البارت الأول نقارن، البارت الثاني ممكن مقارنة لكن من واقع المسائل الحياتية، وممكن يطلب منا نرتبها من الصغير للكبير أو من الكبير للصغير أو نحدد العدد الأصغر أو العدد الأكبر. نشوف هذا التمرين. Flower A is 335 over 4 centimeter tall. Flower B is 8.8 centimeter tall. Compare the heights and choose the correct statement. نقارن بين الارتفاعين. في هالحالة we will keep the decimal and we will change the fraction to be decimal. The fraction is 35. أنا عندي 35 over 4. We will compare it with 8.8. 35 divide by 4. تذهب جدول الفور. الحين 35. 3 we cannot divide it. We will take this two number. 35. It's between these two number here, but you will take the small one. ف 32 كم 4 فيها 8. 8 multiplied by 4 will give us 32. Subtract 35 minus 32 equal 3. We must complete this long division. Because of that, I will put the point, take it up and add 0. Do we have 30 here in the times table? No, we don't have, but we will look where is the location for this number. وين موقعه؟ موقعه هني بين هذين العددين. فبناخذ العدد الأصغر، دائما ناخذ الأصغر، فبيكون عندي هني 7 فيها. إذن 7 أحطه هني. 7 multiplied by 4 يعطينا 28. Subtract 30 minus 28 يعطينا 2. add 0 وننزلها تحت. 20. Do we have 20? Yes, we have it here. How many 4 in 20? We have 5. 5 multiplied by 4 يعطينا 20. Subtract يعطينا 0. انتهت عملية القسمة. إذا هذا عندنا terminating decimal and this number will be 8.75 and here 8 point. بما أن هني عددين بإمكاني أضيف 0 عشان أقدر أقارن. صار هني عددين تساووا في 8. بعد البوينت عندي 75 وهني 80. Which number is greater? 8.8. It's mean the flower B is taller. ممكن نكتب هني flower B is taller. أطول. نطالع هذا التمرين الثاني. يقولنا the height of each student shelf is displayed below. Place the height of the shelves in ascending order. يعني رتبيهن في صورة تصاعدية. أوكي. أنا بحافظ على الديسيمل والفراكشن هو اللي بيتغير. Here 1.9 I will keep it. 1.8 I will keep it. I will take this fraction. I make mistake here. I must write 4 not 1. I will write here 4. From last lesson we know something special about this kind of fraction. If the denominator 9, this number will be repeating number or repeating decimal because of 9. Okay, now we can write it to be one whole number point, and because of 9 here, this 4 will be repeating. It will be repeating decimal. Okay, this is the answer for this one. If you not remember, you can use long division. Like this one, we can use long division. I will use long division here. Okay, I have 11 here. Divide by 9. How many 9 in 11? We have 1 9 in 11. Here we can write 1. Okay, we have a 1. 1 multiplied by 9 give us 9. Subtract 11 minus 9 يعطينا 2. We must complete this division. We will put point and we will put it up at 0. Bring it down. 20. How many 9 in 20? We have 2. 2 multiplied by 9 يعطينا 18. 18 subtract 20 to subtract 18 يعطينا 2. Bring down 0. 20 كم فيها 9؟ فيها 2. 2 multiply by 9 يعطينا 18. Subtract 2. Bring down 0. What do you notice? It's repeating decimal. 2 every time we will bring it down. We have it. 20 divided by 9 يعطينا شو؟ 2. 2 multiplied by 9 18. We will do the same operation. If you notice that this number it's repeating, it's mean here the answer is 1.8. 2 and this 2 is repeating decimal. Now I have 3 or 4 numbers. I have this one, this one, this one, and this one. They want us to put it in order. برتبهم من الصغير إلى الكبير in ascending order. Which number is the smaller one? 1.9, 1.8, 1.4 or 1.2? 1.2 is the smallest one. Okay. After 1.2, 1.4. After 1.4, we have 1.8. After 1.8, we have 1.9. And don't forget the bar notation for this two number. Okay. This is the answer in ascending order from smallest to the greatest. نطالع هذا التمرين. يقولنا سعيد saw 3 numbers in his math book. Choose the option that shows the set of number in a descending order. Descending it's mean from the greatest to the smallest number. Here in decimal we will keep it. Here in decimal we will keep it. But here we will change it to be decimal. This is the first step. نطالع هني. أنا عندي العدد اللي هو -1 and 2 over 5. It will be -1 point. بعد البوينت we will divide this fraction. You can divide it. You can use another method. It's up to you. 2 divide by 5. 2 divide by 5 we cannot. We will add 0, put it up, and add 0 here. 20 divide by 5 give us 4. 4 multiplied by 5 it will be 20. Subtract يعطينا 0. انتهت العملية. هني لازم تنتبهين أن الزيرو اللي طلعت لك هني أنت مو محتاجتها. السبب we have here whole number اللي هو -1. After point we will put 4. We will put 4. Look here. We can put 4. -1.4. Now I know the numbers. I will put it. Then I will put it in order. Here -1.4. After this one we have -2.0 وبعدين 1.7 and 7 is repeating and this number is repeating this number. Okay, now we have positive and negative. We want to order it in descending order. Descending يعني من الكبير إلى الصغير. Of course the positive is greater than the negative because we have only 3 numbers. فأكبر عدد فيهم هو البوزيتيف فبيكون 1. هذا هو الترتيب الصحيح. 1.7. Okay, after 1.7 we have 2 negative number. In negative number the smaller number will be the greater number. فبيكون أكبر واحد في هذه الثنتين. إحنا بنرتب من الكبير للصغير فبنحط الأكبر اللي هو -1.4 After that we will put -2.0 and we will put here the bar notation. This is the order or the correct order. In descending order من الكبير إلى الصغير. نطالع هذا التمرين. Order the numbers in ascending. Which number comes last؟ رتبهم من الكبير، لا من الصغير إلى الكبير، وين آخر رقم فيهم؟ أوكي، هني في صورة ديسيمال، هني في صورة فراكشن، وهني في صورة فراكشن. بإمكاني أخلي الثنتين هذيلا في صورة ديسيمال، فبناخذن على طرف وبنفككن ونخليهن في صورة الديسيمال. نطالع هني، أنا عندي هذيل العددين اللي هما عندي هني 4 and 1/4. 1/4 من الأعداد السهل ومباشرة أقدر أوجده في صورة ديسيمال، فبتكون 4.25 because 1/4 it's 0.25. Okay, or you can use long division here. For the second one I will use the long division. أنا عندي العدد اللي هو 13 divide by 3. 13 كم 3 فيها؟ فيها 4. فيها 4. 4 multiply by 3 يعطينا 12. 12 minus 13 minus 12 يعطينا 1. لازم أكمل، فبحط البوينت وأرفعها وأضيف الزيرو، تنزل صارت 10. 10 divide by 3. 10 كم 3 فيها؟ فيها 3. 3 multiply by 3 يعطينا 9. subtract يعطينا 1. bring down 0 صارت 10. 10 divide by 3 يعطينا 3. 3 multiply by 3 يعطينا 9. شو تلاحظون؟ أن العدد هذا شو يتكرر، فمعناته هني بإمكانك إذا تكرر 3 مرات توقفين، مباشرة نوقف، فبيكون هني 10. 10 divide by 3 يعطينا 3. We must stop here. The answer, I will put another color to be clear for you. The answer will be 4.3, and this number is repeating decimal. Okay, I have this one, and I have this one, and I have this one. Now I can write it in ascending from the small number to the greatest number. Here 4, and here 4, and here 4. It's equal in this number, in whole number. Here 4, but here 2, but here 3. Which number is the least one? The number with 2. Then the smaller number here is 1, 4 and 1/4. Okay. بعد 2 عندي في الترتيب 3. إذا 4 اللي هي 13/3. بعدي في الترتيب عندي 4 اللي هي بالأساس أصلا ديسيمال، فبتكون 4.4. If you put this in order or in ascending order, which number comes last؟ آخر عدد يأتي هو 4.4. وبهذا نكون خلصنا فكرة الدرس. الدرس سهل بسيط، مجرد أنك تحولين الفراكشن or the mixed number to decimal and you can compare after that. There is many way to compare. ممكن بما أن هني عندي عددين أخلي هذا العددين فبتكون 3. هني عندي عدد فبضيف هني 0. ليش ضفت 0 هني؟ لأن هذا مو repeating فلازم أضيف 0. أما هذا repeating فبضيف 3 على قد ما أقدر، أوكي، أو على قد ما أحتاج. فال33 وال25 وال40، 25 أصغر وحدة يأتي في الترتيب 33، يأتي في الترتيب بعدها 40. إذا هذا هو الترتيب الصحيح وهذه هي الإجابة على هذا السؤال. وفي النهاية بإمكان الطالبة تحل البارت نمبر 118 على منصة ألف. الدرس يتكون من 2 parts، 117 اللي هو compare and 118 it's solving problem and put the numbers in order.